Hello guys, this is my second part. This is the new disc rotor on the left hand side, and I'm going to install the new rotor, right? So here we go. Caliper, this caliper frame. Clean this up a little bit. I hope you guys can see. Well, it's getting dark here right now, but let's see. So let's tighten this and let's tighten this. So well, there is a revival going on near my place. That's the reason you can hear the music. I can see that tighten the whole thing. There you go, this is done, and the next thing is what I'm going to do is these are the new rubber bush for the disc caliper, and for the disc caliper, these are specially, this grease is specially for caliper grease, so you need to use this caliper grease. So put the grease. You don't need to put that much grease, but so there you go. Let's put this way. Let's put it this side. apply some more grease. We're going to put the other side here. I hope you can see, guys, because it's getting dark here, and maybe I'll arrange a light. Just give me a minute. Because let me arrange a light. And this is what I was talking about in the second part, that you need to push down the piston. I have already pushed down the piston because this new rotor, and but since it's new, we need to push it down. We need to make some space, and here comes the light. All right, let me show you. This rubber needs to be installed properly, and once this is installed, we need to then it has gone. Just let's have a look and see. Actually it should come out like this automatically, so I think this is all right. Okay, so the next thing, the same thing we are going to do. We're going to apply the grease here, and we're going to apply the grease here. Okay, so let's clean it with the clean cloth water, cloth, and this is what we are going to do. So here's the rubber. Okay, we've applied the grease, and we'll apply some more grease here, and I hope you guys can see, but it's getting dark here, so let me do it quickly. We're almost done. After that, you see the light here. It's here. Alright, there you go. See? Alright, so the next thing what we're going to do is this. We're going to install the apply some little bit grease here. That's it. Apply the grease and put it this way. There you go. And then put the disc brake. Apply a little bit grease here because of this part. This is the one that we need to apply some grease here a little bit. Yeah. So apply grease a little bit here. And let's put this thing here. Just see, there's no problem. Okay, so alright, now let's put the caliper. There goes the caliper, and this is the bolt for the caliper. This is the bolt. Let's put the camera down. Yeah. Let's tighten this thing. And these are the banjo bowl. So you need to clean this up. It's already been cleaned, but better we clean this up. Banjo bowl, and then here goes the banjo bowl. Put it like this and see. So we need a 14 ring. And tighten this. And that's how we install the new rotor. Everything is set now. So we just need to we need to bleed the brakes, and that's it. And we put the tire. That's it. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. See you. Tata.